I still get occasionally people go, well, how come you don't have a course on bookkeeping? And it's because nowadays you can learn bookkeeping through doing QuickBooks. You're learning them both at the same time. Yes, you can um, take a course in bookkeeping, and yeah, it'd be good information. But then you still don't know QuickBooks which is what you're going to need to know in order to do bookkeeping. So might as well learn them both at the same time. And you don't need to be learning aspects of bookkeeping that you're not going to use or that you don't use all the time. You don't have to spend, because it's all about, not saying learning that stuff is bad, but we have a goal here, which is get your first client. From when you start to get in your first client, that we want that to be a short amount of time as possible. And you can clutter it with going to college, going taking a course in bookkeeping. Not bad things, but they're not the goal. They're not reaching the goal. So it's all about starting with simple clients, easy clients to begin with, so that you can, because you want to learn the fundamentals of bookkeeping, fundamentals of QuickBooks, so that you can get that first client. And then that's when the real learning starts.